Should we bring the ice chest and shit or no? GA said whatever fish we catch, bring it home for selling so you can cook that shit to eat, bro. Bảo vô tủ lạnh, you know? Should we carry this shit or we just go for fun? Huh? Huh? Oh.
What the fuck you put it in that for?
What else we wanna put it in?
Thì để trong xe bay đi chạy là tôi lấy mà.
Alright.
Or you can use that to sit.
Whatever, dude. We just get, real fishermen do real things, bro. I'm bringing this shit, bro. Fuck it, I'm gonna try it out, bro.
I don't know you.
Mày mắc cỡ gì đấy? Mắc cỡ mấy em Việt Nam hả? Hả? Is that what it is? You don't know me, bro. You're a tourism.
Hey, I don't know you.
Mày có câu với tao không? Come on, bro. Come on. All right. You're gonna coach me, right?
Yeah, I'll coach you, all right. Oh, you could ate here earlier. Brunch. Fuck is brunch?
Breakfast? Sunday brunch. No. From 10 to 2, like a lunch or some shit? I don't know. Đẹp mày. No, I think it passed. What? We need to bring our own cần cầu, man. Fuck. You think Therese will work real good out here? Since it's for vertical jigging? How y'all doing today? Anything out there today? Nothing?
I got a bump black tip. Small black tip, that's about it.
Oh, all right. You guys have a good one now. Thank you. That boy surf fishing. He going after black tip shark. That's what he going after. Yeah. How you doing today?
I'm here.
And we all. Can I rent a pole? Can I? And then one for him to get in.
Slow out there.
Huh?
Go check it out first.
Fuck it. I just want to try it. Fuck it, man. I just want to get my line wet, regardless, fish or no fish. At least I got the feel for it.
No,
Man.
that's all.
At least I got the feel for it.
One?
Yeah, just one. We should have brought our own rods, but you know, didn't have no room.
Yeah,
in
these
the
were all,
car.
believe it or not, these were all brand new this year.
Oh, were they? Damn, you got beat up that bad?
People don't take care of them.
Go on.
I'm gonna find a better one.
And do I just buy the bait out of here then? And,
Yeah.
all right. Try a little bird. Some shrimp and some scar minnows. This ain't hitting more than làm đéo gì. When they start hitting, that's when we reload.
I'll pay for everybody.
Get yours open.
I don't know what I'm paying.
But if you guys come and go, please till 9 p.m.
So you guys can't go wrong with a beer and a boardwalk. Come on, you guys are doing it right now.
It's nice out.
Yeah, absolutely.
I thought it was gonna rain all day.
All right.
Give you an extra hook.
This is the good luck hook today, right?
That's this expectation.
All right. They got the bait right here too, right?
21 bucks. Good till 9. You can come and go, please.
All
I'm
right.
the only one here. You ain't gotta wear that.
All right. Thank you very
Good
much.
luck. What do you want a bag?
I got a little tackle box and stuff. Thank you
Good
now.
luck. Have a blast, man. Look for the people.
Oh, that's. Thank you, sir. Yep. Hả? Pick a spot for me, Bert. Chỗ này ông Việt Nam ông ngồi hôm qua mà phải không?
Dạ mấy cái quay đi. Did they hook up the rig for you?
Yeah, it's already hooked. They gave you extra hook and coochie, but look how small this coochie is, though. Man, you ain't going nowhere with that, but straight down.
Well,
The coochie, you wanna? I'm trying to whip it out there. You know what I'm saying?
cái này ít đấy đâu. You need a heavier one.
Heavier one. That's what I said.
Cause look at it. Dude,
I know they gave us a small ass coochie. See if he, man, let's see if he got any in there.
Still have to take it out. Yeah, he could. But you don't want it too heavy because kéo lên đây mà kéo xuống.
Man, wish we had our own, man. Bring out the Torres. What you got for offshore rig, Bert?
Nothing. Shit. Oh, I gotta be a conventional reel.
Oh, conventional?
Không có về, không xin về.
For real?
Đây là no sin.
Everything's on the boat. That's probably why.
Who bag is this one?
TC's in his garage. My damn tail go hook with on the side. Or should I use bird some shrimp? Or this bad boy? Có gì? Now these shrimps pretty small.
Or you gonna go to the deep end?
We try right here. That man was banging it up right here, you know?
Huh?
That man was catching it yesterday right here. Nó tôm đéo gì đây? You need some fresh shrimp, live shrimp, you know? Frozen shit don't work too good. Where? Right where the brake line is? Alright, let's try it.
See where my hand is at? Go watch out for the deep
Yeah, I see him. Right there somewhere?
Right here. Oh, you wanna hold it?
I'm gonna hold it and jig it and play with it, baby.
You ain't got nothing to jig.
Watch, this next one's for you, bud. My dip, man. No, I ain't. I'm camcording right now. I got you, dog.